Here's your description for your kneeling spine car. This is like other spine cars that we do, except we're in a kneeling position. So priority number one, find a comfortable level of knee flexion. We don't want any discomfort on the knees, so we can start in this tall kneeling down to a more collapsed kneeling. Collapsed is nice because it prevents or at least makes us more well aware of our pelvic movement, which we're trying to avoid here. So now we wrap the arms around the front, get into as much spine flexion as you can, rotate, side bend, hold rotation and side bending while you extend the spine. We rotate across an extension, side bend, go back into flexion, holding that rotation, rotate back to the front. Now we reverse, rotation, side bending, holding that while we extend the spine, rotation across an extension, side bending, rounding the back into flexion, rotating back to the front. That was one in each direction, so do the desired number of reps.